Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how an XNOR gate works. Let's get this XNOR gate from the panel. Look very closely on the symbol. This is similar to the XOR gate. The only difference is the bubble here in front. The XNOR gate is the opposite of an XOR gate. When we connect a NOT gate in front of an XOR gate, this circuit will act as an XNOR gate. This bubble actually represents NOT XOR, okay? Or whatever the output of an XOR gate here will be inverted by this NOT gate. So when the output here is 1, the output of a NOT gate here is 0. And when the output is 0, the output here will be 1. Let's see how this XNOR gate works. Okay, for the inputs, let's use toggle switch, and then we'll use light bulb again for the output. You will notice that when the two switches here are off, the output is on. When I turn on one of these inputs, okay, the output will be off. And same with this one, the output is off. So it means that when one of these inputs is on, the output is off. That's the opposite of an XOR gate, okay? And when the two inputs are on, the output is on, okay? So that's how an XNOR gate works. Let's look at the truth table of the XNOR gate. Here is the truth table of the XNOR gate. We will fill this output column from the simulation that we got a while ago. When the two inputs are off, the output is on, okay? When the two inputs are zeros here, the output is on. So the output here is 1. And if one of the inputs is 1, like this one and this one, the output is off. Here, 0, 1 represents this, 0, 1, and this 1, 0 represents this. On, off, the output will be 0 and 0 here. And for the last scenario, when the two inputs are on, the output will be on, okay? The two inputs here are 1, the output is 1. 1 represents on, 0 represents off. Okay, so this is the truth table of the XNOR gate. Okay, now we completed all the logic gates that we are going to use in designing logic circuits. Okay, stay tuned for the next videos about logic circuits. Bye.